Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Samsung TV and ensuring the universal remote has fresh batteries. This prevents erratic signals. Once done, press and hold the remote's TV or mode button until its indicator flashes. This puts the remote into setup mode. Next, point the remote at the TV and prepare to enter a code or run automatic code search, because TV models accept different IR codes. Make sure ambient light won't obscure the TV's sensor while you proceed to the next step. Now run the automatic code search feature if your remote supports it. Press search or pair and repeatedly tap power or CH+ until the TV reacts. This detects the correct code without manual lookup. If auto search fails, enter a manufacturer code from the remotes list using numeric keys, because specific Samsung models often need particular 3-4-digit codes. After each code or search result, test volume, input, and power to confirm full functionality. If a function fails, continue searching or try the next code in the list. Once the TV responds correctly, lock in the code by pressing OK, set, or holding mode until the indicator stops blinking. This saves the pairing so commands persist. If the TV never responds, replace batteries and retry, because weak power often interrupts programming. Also try codes for similar brands if your model shares IR patterns. Finally, if functions remain inconsistent, reset the remote to factory defaults and repeat the process, or consult the remote maker for updated code lists.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.